Hi guys, and welcome back to Flows with Chris and AI workflows with FlowHunt. Today I'm going to show you my football predictor workflow. I've created this to try to get to the top of my predictor league, so let's see if we can predict some correct scores. Let's look exactly at how I've created it. Okay, so here we are now in FlowHunt, and you can see here I've got my flows. I'm going to come down here to the football score league predictor, and I'm going to just simply open up that now. So you can see here I've built my flow, and what I've got first of all is my chat output. I've got a couple of sequential tasks that I've put in here, which goes to my chat output at the end, which you can see here. And then I've also indicated, and I'm going to use this AI agent, and my AI agent simply is set up to have a role as a football data analyst. The goal of that agent is to accurately predict the result of a football match or matches, depending on how many I put in my input, by comparing the website information that we're going to pick up to give a likely prediction. And the prediction should be a scoreline that the research indicates is the most likely outcome. And of course, there's a backstory as well here too, which is great. And now what I can do is I can shut that down, and I can show you just quickly my sequential tasks here. So the sequential tasks are, for instance, you are a professional bookmaker with statistical analysis and risk management skills that you use to predict the results of football matches. So first of all, we're going to look and predict the roles of the football matches, or we're going to look at the data. And then we go to the second sequential task here, and you can see again that I wanted then with that data to predict the most likely score or scores from all of the information retrieved from all of the teams to give that most likely result. And I've put an example in there also, which is quite useful. Okay, so you can see my flow is quite simple. Of course, the AI agent is connected to my Google search and URL retriever, so it can look on the internet to find the most relevant information. And I'm using a base chat LLM model here, and I'm keeping my chat history, although that's not particularly necessary in this case. So now what I'm going to do is let's test the flow. Okay, so I'm just going to update my flow here, and you can see. So let's get some information that we want to put in. We want to find some football scores. So let's go and see what games are being played today. So on Saturday, the 7th of September, that's today, there's already one game going on at the moment. Right now, it's 25 minutes past 4 in Central Europe. Let's have a look. There's a few games going on today. A good one, Republic of Ireland against England, and you can see a bunch of other ones. Now, what I've done is I've copied this page here, just selected those games, for instance, and I've put them already into a little clipit here. So I put them into my text edit file. I'm just simply going to copy those now, and I'm going to paste them straight into my FlowHunt questionnaire. Here we go. You can see straight away, I'm just going to put this straight into my chatbot and fire it off. And let's see what happens. Right, so you can see that it's already started thinking about it, and it's already searching some of the matches at the moment. You can see now it's on Armenia again, now it's on Germany-Hungary, and it's going through those games. Now what it's doing is it's finding lots of different information on the internet to analyze the questions that I've already asked it. You can see that it's looking at quite a few numbers of URLs. And of course, it's got a lot of data to process. Here we go. We're straight up with the scores now straight away. So you can see here some of the URLs that have been looked at. For instance, here we've got some previews of games here, and you can see here are the updated scores. So Republic of Ireland against England, it says probably and possibly it might be a result. Republic of Ireland 0, England 3, which let's hope so. Georgia versus Czechia, Georgia 1, Czechia 1. Then a prediction, Armenia and Latvia, Armenia 2, Latvia 0. And you can see Germany against Hungary, it predicts 2-1. Netherlands against Bosnia and Herzegovina, we're looking at 2-0 here. And then Ukraine, Albania 2-1, and Greece against Finland 2-1 as well. So you can see now that we've got some updates. We've used AI to analyze all of those informations, and this workflow shows to be pretty good. Now all we've got to do is check how the actual scores go and see how I get on in my predictor league. Cheers then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me next time with more Flows with Chris.